Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while installing the Windows update KB5074109. You got an install error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now type here a command dism /online /cleanup -image /restorehealth and then hit the enter key. Now wait for this command to finish processing and repairing your files. Once this command is completed, you need to type in second command. And for a second command, you need to type in sfc /scannow. Make sure you first wait for this particular command to finish, and once this command is completed, only then you need to enter the second command. And once both the commands are completed, try to update your Windows again to fix out the install error. If this failed to work out, in next step you need to head over to settings menu. Now in settings menu, from the left pane, click on the option system, scroll down and click on the optional features. Now here again click on more Windows features. Now in Windows feature, you need to scroll to the bottom and you will find the option of Windows Sandbox. If you have check marked this particular option, you need to uncheck it. After unchecking Windows Sandbox, hit the OK button. Now this will go ahead and restart your system. Once your system restarted, try to update again, and this time the issue of install error with the error code 0x800F0922 will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.